Okay, well, I'm not going to be able to test very well. It's on outdoor. The thing I'm going to do... Oh, okay, I'm counting down. Just can't hear the little drone, the noise this big thing makes. Uh-oh. So like promising, can't bounce off the wall. Oh, there we go. So. Oh, that looks good. Of course, it's all about getting the right geometry. These do have narrow beams. Now, I think that's just reflection fraction from the lens. No? Yeah? Yes. Ah, must be some electromagnetic something right there. Always scares me. Let's put it on indoor, see what happens. I don't know. Okay, well. So that works so far. At least it's not totally dead. That was on outdoor, right? Yep. Okay, now I'm gonna go get a Phoenix with the shot blast because I've been having trouble with the shot blast. Let's see how that works. Alright, here we go.
Good luck.
Okay, shot blast. Oops. Ah, 3 hits. That's good. That's good. Now we gotta see if we can. Okay. So now I'm gonna go pretty far. I'm gonna have to open the gate. Okay, this is all about testing the range of the shot blast. I'm pretty sure you're gonna be able to hear when that thing gets hit. So I'm gonna go this way. Oh, it's running out of life, but oh well. Now, formally, the shot blast does not work well at ranges over here. So if it hits 3 times in a row, that would be good. 3 times in a row, outside. Of course, there's not a lot of sun right now, so fortunately, you can't test like as much as I'd like to. But try again. This distance. So that's pretty respectable range for the shot blast, I guess. Okay. Well, guess this is the end of the line. Final test. I'm gonna go all the way down the street to the house down there. All the way down there. I don't know how far that is. It's gotta be around 200 feet.
Game over.
Don't bother. So here we go. Can't see the gun? What? Oh. so many lives. I don't know about this. Yeah. The results don't look too promising. I haven't been able to see what actually happened because I was so far away. But I'll have to see later. Okay, now we're going to test them. Known good configuration. The yellow one is the one I just prepared, and the blue one is known to be good, or at least I thought it was good. Yep, okay, so I'm going to go down and test it as before. So as you can see,
When you got near this,
the gold one is not as good as the blue one, but at least it works a bit.